Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The fuel filter is located on the passenger side at the back of the vehicle. In order to replace the fuel filter, you must lift the back of your vehicle. This will ensure you can slide easily under your car to access the filter. Place the jack at the back of your vehicle, lift the back of your vehicle and place it on the 2-axle stands. Nevertheless, we strongly suggest watching the tutorial video, lifting your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Using a crosshead screwdriver, remove the holding screw from the hooping that holds the filter. Get a fuel collection container to collect the fuel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. With a thin flathead screwdriver, push down on the coloured part of the plastic connector and simultaneously pull upwards to remove it. Using adjustable pliers, repeat the operation on the other connectors located on the other side of the filter, levering them off with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the filter, sliding it forwards. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Put the new filter in, sliding it in the opposite way round. Make sure that the centering pin on the filter is properly fixed in its housing. Reattach the 3 petrol connectors, clipping them into the filter. Ensure that all the hoses are correctly clipped. Then, put the retaining screw on the plastic filter strapping. You can now put your vehicle back on the ground. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.